Just dropped her girl off at the bus. You taking your morning leisurely stroll without the pups around? Yeah, your favorite part of the day. All right, it's time to do barn chores. Oh, I'm sorry, I did not forget about you two. Oh, heaven forbid. Good morning. Go, baby, go. Can you imagine waking up with that much energy before coffee? Are you gonna jump? Yeah! Okay, I gotta move that trampoline. Are you getting distracted by corgis? Scout just wants to watch you. Yeah, she's a bit of a helicopter corgi. Yeah, morning kisses. Good morning. Morning. Oh. Here, Rip. Are you chewing on the hay too? Everybody's thinking they're grown over there. Just snuggled up. Well, that's one way to wake up, huh? You're really climbing on everybody, aren't you, Noah? Yeah. Hey there. Good morning, Samantha. I hear you. Well, what are you doing, huh? Are you contemplating escaping? Looking for holes to squeeze through? I don't recommend that. You're just a baby. Did Scout put you up to this? Listen, you're too young to start making bad choices, all right? You'd be a good goat. Are you really trying to see the babies any way you possibly can? Scout, you better not be telling those baby goats how to escape, okay? Are they awake? Oh, are you sleeping in? Hi there, my precious piggies. You ready to get some breakfast? Oh, Ruthie, do you want to play on it? Yeah. Oh, sweet girl. I'll bring you over here for a little play date later, okay? Where'd Boone go? Do we know? Boone, buddy. Boone, how did you get on the other side of that door? It's locked. Morning, Boyd Crowder. Did you get your second breakfast at the barn? Yeah. And now you're gonna head back inside to go take a nap? Good morning. There's not a whole lot of you awake. Just the roosters? Oh my word. You do not have to be that afraid. I feed you, I give you fresh water, a nice place to live, and I try to give you love. What did those ducks tell you? Just moseying down to the pond. Like they just didn't instill the fear of God into those ducklings. Oh boy. I don't know if you were supposed to go outside though. Did I leave the door open? Good job, Scout. Johnny, Moira, David, Alexis, do you all know how to get back to your little Rose Motel situation in there? Nope, that's not it. Come on. Oh, don't push Stevie over. That's not very nice. Come on. Here, let me help. Oh my word. There you go. Show me that you know how to go back into the coop. I know you all need to be patient, okay? Stop climbing on Uncle Rip. Oh my word. Y'all just really aren't the brightest. Excuse me. Please don't tell me you're doing that to try to open the gate. I was coming if you had some patience. You just have to wait. All right. Let's see if y'all can make good decisions. Yep, I kept the gate closed. No more goat shenanigans in the chicken coop. How about that? Really? Now you're jumping on Star. Did you want a little pony ride? Is that it? Jump the brook. Yep. Let's go for a little bit of a walk.